好啦，佢咧就話我擔心咧，我哋好快 rapidly 好快就 losing night's natural darkness，好快咧就會失去咗即係大自然咧嗰個黑暗。Before realizing its worth，喺我哋知道佢嘅價值之前咧，我哋就冇咗呢個 natural darkness。即係佢意思咧，即係話咧，我哋太多光啦，太多光嘅時候咧，咁就會冇咗一個 natural 嘅 darkness 啦。咁咧佢話啦。This winter solstice, as we cheer the day's gradual movement back toward light。咁咧呢個 winter solstice 咧即係冬至啊，咩意思咧？即係呢一日咧係全年咧最長嘅一個夜晚，得唔得？咁咧佢之後咧過咗呢日之後咧，日光就開始多啦，即係我哋每一日咧就多啲，即係日頭啊會長啲啦。所以佢呢度話咧 ，as we cheer the day's gradual movement back toward light， 即係咧。我哋 cheer 啦，開心歡呼，因為咧慢慢 gradual 慢慢咧翻去多啲 light 嘅時候咧，但係佢話喺呢個 winter solstice，除咗呢樣嘢之外 ，let us also remember the irreplaceable value of darkness。我哋都要記得咧 darkness 咧，即係黑暗嘅一個不可替代 irreplaceable value of 即係不可替代的呢個可以記住佢 irreplaceable value of something， 即係一樣嘢好緊要 ，OK？咁啦，繼續睇啦。佢話咧 ，all life evolve to the steady rhythm of bright days and dark nights. Today, though, when we feel the closeness of nightfall, we reach quickly for a light switch, and too little darkness, meaning too much artificial light at night, spells trouble for all. 佢就話咧。All life 呢度咧就係講人類同動物啦，所有 evolved 即係演變 ，OK？To the steady rhythm 咧即係個節奏啊 ，steady 即係穩定啊，即係跟住一個穩定嘅節奏去咩咧？睇下佢話 bright days 即係日頭啦，同埋 dark nights， 即係而家我哋夜晚咧就好似開晒燈啊咁啦，但係以前咧佢話 all life evolved to the steady rhythm 有個節奏噶嘛，有個日頭同埋夜晚。佢話 today 而家點咧？當我哋咧。Feel the closeness of nightfall 咧即係啱啱入夜啦，開始入夜啦。Closeness 即係近啦，近嘅時候咧，我哋就即刻 reach quickly for a light switch。即刻開咗個燈先。佢話而家有啲咁嘅嘢 ，OK？And too little darkness 太少黑暗咧，即係代表太多呢個嘅 artificial light， 即係太多人嘅光啦，人工嘅光啦。At night spells trouble for all。即係對我哋咧係好多 trouble 噶，呢個又可以記咗佢 spell trouble for 一啲人 ，OK？ 即係佢呢度就係 too little darkness 啦。咁我哋睇下佢話，做乜事啊？點解 darkness 好緊要咩？佢就話啦 ，Already the World Health Organization classifies working the night shift as a probable human carcinogen. And the American Medical Association has voiced its unanimous support for light pollution reduction efforts and glare reduction efforts at both the national and state levels. Our bodies need darkness to produce hormone melatonin, which keeps certain cancers from developing. And our bodies need darkness of sleep. Sleep disorders have been linked to diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular disease, and depression. And recent research suggests one main cause of short sleep is long light. Whether we work at night or simply take our tablets, notebooks, and smartphones to bed, there isn't a place for this much artificial light in our lives. 好啦，佢就話咧，而家世界衛生組織我講快啲，呢段好似有啲悶，我講快啲。佢話咧，世界衛生組織咧就而家 classify 啦，即係覺得咧 working the night shift 即係返夜班啊，係一個咧好有可能啊 probable human carcinogen 咧即係致癌物，即係話如果咧你返夜班嗰陣，其實係會對有癌症喎，有少少 linkage 嘅喎。佢話咧，同埋一個 American Medical Association 呢個association 一個簡寫嚟嘅 medical 即係個醫學咁啦。咁呢個組織佢就話咩咧 ？Has voiced its unanimous support。呢個字讀 unanimous 一致性100%，即係佢會員可能全部咧都 support 啦 ，support 後面嘅呢兩嘢。佢就話 light pollution reduction efforts。佢話減低咧啲光污染咧嘅一啲努力，同埋減低啲 glare reduction efforts。glare 即係強光啊，係啦。咁佢認為應該要少啲 light pollution 同埋少啲 glare 嘅。At both the national and state levels，state 咧就係啲州份呢個 level 啦。 即係美國啊 United States 個 state 啦，同埋 national 即係全國啦，全國都要做呢樣嘢。佢就話 Our bodies need darkness to produce the hormone melatonin。佢話人嘅身體咧需要黑暗咧去產生一種 hormone 一種荷爾蒙咧叫做呢個 melatonin。佢話佢係點嘅咧 ？Which keeps certain cancers from developing， 即係防止啊某一類嘅 cancers 咧等佢唔好去 develop。佢話 Our bodies need darkness for sleep。我哋需要黑暗去瞓覺啦。當然啦 ，sleep disorders 即係失調 disorders， 可能瞓得唔好咧 ，have been linked to diabetes 有呢個糖尿病啦 ，obesity 就即係黐肥啦 ，cardiovascular disease 即係心血管嘅疾病啦，同埋 depression 即係抑鬱。佢話 recent research suggests one main cause of short sleep is a long light。佢話近期咧一個研究咧就話啦，其中一個最大原因點解我哋瞓得咁少咧，就係太多光。OK， 咁佢就話啦 ，Whether we work at night or simply take our tablets, notebook and smartphones to bed， 佢話無論咧我哋係夜晚工作，定係我哋只係攞我哋嘅平板電腦啦、手提電腦同埋智能手機，即係一度玩一度瞓覺咧。佢話 There isn't a place for this much artificial light in our lives。佢話根本唔容許冇空間俾我哋去做呢啲嘢，即係對我哋唔好咁解咯。咁所以呢一度咧，即係作者就認為應該要多啲 darkness 嘅，即係唔好咁多 artificial light。佢反對呢個 light pollution 啦。咁呢度咧就係講一啲 disease 嘅嘢嘅，關於 humans 嘅。OK， 咁我哋再落睇下呢個。嗱呢個咧佢就話 The rest of the world depends on darkness as well。佢話咧。嗱呢個上面就係講人啊，咁佢話 the rest of the world 可能講啲動物喎 ，depends on darkness as well， 即係都好需要 darkness，including nocturnal and crepuscular species of birds, insects, mammals, fish and reptiles。佢話包括呢啲夜間動物，咁啊呢個黃昏嘅動物，呢啲種類啦，例如啲雀仔。昆蟲、哺乳類動物同埋魚同埋呢個嘅爬蟲類動物，佢話呢啲生物都好需要 darkness 喎。佢話咩咧 ？Some examples are well known， 有啲 examples 咧好出名嘅。例如 the 400 species of birds 有400幾種嘅雀仔咧 that migrate at night， 即係夜晚咧就會遷徙啦。喺 North America， 即係 darkness 好緊要，佢夜晚就去 migrate 啦。另外一個 example 就係 the sea turtles， 即係海龜 that come ashore， 即係上個岸咧 to lay the eggs 去生蛋啦。夜晚嘅時候 ，OK， 咁佢呢度話 some examples are well known 即係出名 ，and some are not， 即係有啲冇咁出名嘅 examples， 但係都係 examples。佢就話啦 ，such as the bats that save American farmers billions in pest control。佢話咧嗰啲蝙蝠咧就幫嗰啲American farmers 即係美國嘅農民咧慳咗幾十億嘅錢喎，等佢哋唔使做 pest control 害蟲處理，因為啲 bats 可能食晒佢啦。And the moths 即係夜晚佢做呢樣嘢 ，moths 即係飛蛾 that pollinate 80% of the world's flora。佢話飛蛾咧幫手傳遞世界上嘅80% 嘅植物去傳播花粉喎。佢話 ecological light pollution 即係 light pollution 呢樣嘢啦。佢咧就話啦，睇埋呢段咧就等下一條片啦。佢就話咧 like is like the bulldozer of the night, wrecking habitat and disrupting ecosystems several billion years in the making. Simply put, without darkness, Earth's ecology would collapse. 佢就話咧 light pollution 咧好似個鏟泥機咁樣 ，wrecking 即係摧毀晒人哋嘅棲息地。同埋影響呢個生態系統，而呢個生態系統係 several billion years in the making， 即係用咗幾十億年去製造出嚟㗎。Simply put 呢個真係又要記咗佢，即係咧簡單嚟講咁意思，好似 in conclusion 咁樣，但係好型。Simply put 一句講 ，without darkness, Earth's ecology would collapse。冇 darkness 嘅話咧，地球嘅生態系統咧就會即係摧毀㗎啦，得唔得？咁咧下條片咧就繼續講埋呢度，後面嗰啲會好睇啲嘅。